Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to become a successful LinkedIn creator. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using the creator mode on LinkedIn? LinkedIn creator mode is beneficial for people who are creating long-form content. If you are sharing posts, articles, or newsletters, then you should enable this setting on your LinkedIn profile. Now go to your LinkedIn profile, scroll down, and look for the resources section. You can view the creator mode below. If it's your first time accessing the creator mode, you'll view this window about growing your audience with creator mode. Click Next. Under the Topics section, you can write the topics. Just type in the keyword in this field, and you can view a list of different hashtags that you can include as a topic. Under Creator Tools, you can enable LinkedIn Live, Audio Event, Newsletter, and the Follow link. LinkedIn Live allows you to meet your community online in real time. Take note that you have to prepare for a LinkedIn Live as if you are hosting a show with a regular schedule and a theme. Stay away from random live streaming without a relevant topic to talk about, as this will affect your followers. Audio Event allows you to engage your community together via audio real-time conversations. Newsletters allow you to publish articles about a specific topic and create a subscriber-based community. These features will be enabled as you abide by the community policy guidelines and you have at least 150 followers and you have shared your original content. The Follow link allows you to have a custom URL to help you build your network fast. This will be enabled if your account is more than 48 hours old, there are no spam flags in the last 30 days, and your account had no violations in the last 12 months. Now click the Turn On button so that you can enable the Creator mode. Now that we have enabled the Creator mode, you can see the topics that we have added just below our headline. You can view the Analytics tool at the top of your profile. It even shows the number of people who viewed your profile. Under Analytics, you can monitor your performance, such as the post impressions, total number of followers, profile views, and search appearances. These metrics can help you determine if your LinkedIn profile and your content are effective in attracting more people to view your profile. When you have enabled the creator mode on your profile, your viewers can see a follow button, which will be the primary action on your profile, and your follower count will be displayed as well. Let's take a look at an example profile. You can see that the featured section is bumped up on the upper section of their profile, and it showcases all the shared posts. As you click on a post, it shows the text telling more about this post, the media uploaded, the link, and people's reactions. You can also add a video cover. The short video will show up on your profile photo. You need to upload a video from your mobile app, as it won't be available on your desktop app. It is recommended to record the video on your mobile device as well, so you can introduce yourself, tell people what you do, or showcase a sample of your work. Let's upload a video cover on LinkedIn. Go to your LinkedIn profile on your mobile app. You can view the link Add Profile Video. Tap on it, and you can view sample videos and how people can view your profile video. You can even record a video now and allow the app to use your video camera or upload an existing video on your gallery. Select a video, and you can choose to add a sticker to your video or add a text. The eye icon allows you to set who can see your profile video. You can choose from all LinkedIn members or connections only. It's best to choose all LinkedIn members so that more people can view your profile video. Drag the video so that the important section of this video is shown in the middle of the circle. Then tap on Share to Profile. Now it's uploading the video, and anyone can view the video on your profile. If you tap on this area, It will allow you to choose from editing the photo, video, or even add a frame. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using Post Influence. Post Influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.